guys, welcome back for today's video. It has been a while that we've been in front of the camera, but I still owe you the result video of these little paintings, which I have beautifully arranged on top of our sofa. I think you can see them all in the video screen, but I will give you a close-up version in direct sunlight later in the video so that you can see each of them individually in their full beauty. We hope to make this video while the sun is shining, but we had no luck there, so today it's a bit cloudy, but at least it's daylight. So here we are. I hope you enjoyed watching the little painting videos, but as you can see at the moment, or in a second, I've added a layer of resin with some glitter to each of these paintings, which made them even prettier, I think. So I really love how they turned out, and to support an artist in quarantine, we are going to make it a kind of sale. We do not expect anyone to want to spend a lot of money into arts at the current situation, but therefore we are going to make it a really cheap one, I'd say. So we decided to sell each of them for $35, including shipping, or 30 euros when you come from Europe, so to speak. This is the painting, nice and beautifully packed and including shipping. So we are going to put our contact email address below in the video description, and it's a first come first serve basis. So if you want to have one of them or all of them, just send us an email, and the first one who wants it actually is going to get it. If we get people who want the same, again the first one is going to win. And we would love to see them hang in your homes. We really love them. I might want to make more of those because they are just cute and they make fun. Let me know in the comments what your favorite perhaps is. So what you like the most, if you find that's a good idea, adding the glitter, all of them, or if you would have preferred them just as they were. And also let us know how you are doing. So I hope every one of you is fine. We are actually fine, so most of the times I'm at home working, and after work I'm going to care for the art stuff. And I did some learning and research myself. So you might have noticed that I have dropped my videos on YouTube a bit this year, so I spend a lot of time researching new stuff. Most of times it is in realism oil painting and traditional oil painting, which I thought I wanted to do so long now, and I this year decided to take some time off of my own channel and spend some time researching and educating myself to improve my arts on the realism sector. Besides of that, I did a project for Patrick, which you've seen not yet, but I'm going to show you some video clips about it. Give me a second. It's this little painting here from our most favorite anime series. You've probably seen the first one, which I did in watercolors, and this is done in acrylics. A struggle, I tell you. And this is what I'm spending the last 2 weeks on, I think, so in the evenings. Patrick is doing sports all the time, going to work as well, so everything is actually working as usual, but we most of times are home, or at least I am. So I hope this was okay for you catching up. I hope some of you would love to get some of these little paintings. We will see very soon, and I hope every one of you will keep care. Thank you for watching, have a great day, and until very soon.
Bye.
Bye bye.